Are you looking for Fountain Valley, single story, 3 bedrooms, 2 bath, 2,600 plus square feet? Let's take a look. As you come in, you are greeted with this formal living room, amazing bay window, fireplace, smooth ceilings, recessed lightings, tons of natural light, just fabulous. Here I am in the second family room with the second fireplace. Attention to detail is truly everything. This is custom, handmade with love by the current owner. We've got gorgeous windows leading out to this stunning backyard. Let's take a look. If I could name this backyard, I would name it relaxation. You've got an amazing spa behind us, gorgeous birch trees, so much greenery, places to sit and relax. I just want to have a cup of tea or maybe a glass of wine. Here we are in this amazing ensuite primary. You literally don't have to leave. Such a great retreat. You've got behind you the little seating area with tons of privacy, ensuite bathroom, huge space, walk-in closet. It's awesome. I hope you enjoyed the tour of our beautiful new Fountain Valley home. As a reminder, it's only 3 minutes from the newest Orange County Dutch Bros, so close to Tamora Elementary School, Fulton Middle School, and easy on the commute, the 405 freeways. If you want your own personal tour, just leave a comment below or give me a call. Thanks for watching.